Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my $1,000 per month Skool community. And I've been running this since around October of 2023. And it's netted me around $40,000 or $50,000 just from running a small, very small online community, teaching people how to go from zero to startup with their online business, use YouTube for free organic traffic, how to use affiliate marketing in a strategic way, and build small YouTube channels that actually start making you money. And right over here, we'll just log in and I'll show you, we're actually at $1,200 per month MRR. MRR stands for monthly reoccurring revenue. You can see our churn is probably about average. Anywhere under 12, 13% is about average. I'd love to get this lower right here. And you can see our conversion rates. I don't really have a whole lot of traffic going to this, but we do have new people coming in and signing up as well. I don't have any free trials or anything like that right now, but these are just the basic stats right over here. And you can click on payouts and it'll show you, like, I have $575 that will be paid out to me. And you can see all the different payments right here. And it just keeps going into my bank account for about a year and a half now. Look at all the money coming in right there. So that's just proof that when you build an online community like this, it's a monthly reoccurring thing. So you do have that kind of built-in reoccurring revenue, which is super, super nice. We hold 2 live calls per month. You can go over to the calendar right here and you'll be able to see when the next calls are. They're all organized for the rest of the year. People just click on this and they're able to log into the Zoom call and get on a call with me twice per month. The calls usually go about an hour and a half long, and they're basically Q&As is the primary. You can ask me anything. We can review your YouTube channel, so forth. And then when people don't have a lot of questions, I just usually go over something. I pick a topic: email marketing, YouTube growth, YouTube title creation, thumbnails, all kinds of different things. And I'll teach you what I know about that. That's kind of how the community works. We can come in here to Classroom. This is the access to everyone gets. The most impressive is the live call replays. We put a lot of attention into these live call replays right over here. They're all uploaded here, edited, all the, the silences and all the filler words and all that. I put these through Descript and they get actually edited really well. And so you have access to those calls right there. You can watch them at whatever speed you want as well. So that's a huge high value for the membership right over here. And then we have a bunch of other courses right over here. Case studies. This is a 4-hour course, 3-hour course right there, 3-hour course right there. Then you get bonuses if you actually come in. You get access to some of my first courses that I created. This PLR Profits Academy course. I teach you how to use PLR. And I actually made a lot of money from that, over $12,000. This course right over here, Small YouTube Big Profits, is like a case study, almost 3 hours long, that teaches you how I launched this course and made $12,000 with a small YouTube channel, 500 subscribers on it. You get access to all of that. And then most importantly, obviously, there's a community right here where you have your all-time leaderboard and you have your 30-day leaderboard and so forth. So the community, and you can move up the ranks and so forth as you participate. But the community is where we, discuss things, and you have people sharing news, the latest industry news and YouTube and AI and so forth. You have people sharing affiliate commissions right here, that Bettina just made her first 200. Well, she actually has made commissions before, but she's just sharing that she made a $217 commission right there and so forth. And then you have the community saying great job and so forth. And you can ask questions and share. And so this is what the community looks like. We have people on the community right there as well. You're welcome to check out the community below. Click the first link below. So this is what I did to build this up. Rewind the tape and go back to October 2023. That's when Skool was really taking off. It had already been around for a year or more than that, but it was really getting its popularity around that time. And then I had some of my viewers, YouTube viewers, had actually and it might have even been one of my clients, said, hey, you should build a Skool community. So I went ahead and created this community. Then I started putting it out there on YouTube with my audiences. I only have 2 YouTube channels that I really focused on, and that's this one and my primary one, channel called LearnWire, where I do software reviews. When we come over here, you'll be able to see the poll. When people come in, you can introduce yourself right here, and it'll actually show you like, hey, did you find this from LearnWire YouTube, from this channel right here, email, Facebook, and so forth? And look at the results. It is very dominant LearnWire, that channel that has the do with software, was able to get a lot of people into this community by building a passionate audience and people that wanted to learn something from me and join my community. And then there's going to be some people that watch software reviews and stuff that want to build their own business online. So naturally, I have a bigger audience there. We get a lot more views and so forth. I was able to bring in at least probably 60% of my audience from LearnWire. This channel used to be called Teach Me Money Methods. I do need to update this post over here and do a new one. We were able to get about 30% of our traffic from there and a little bit from email. This was not an email marketing strategy. This was all organic. When we're talking about how I built this, it was making high value videos, having one call to action and saying, hey, come join my Skool community. Let me teach you how I've made over $500,000 with YouTube and affiliate marketing. You don't really need $100 or less to get started. You just need a microphone, a computer, an internet connection, and screen recording software. You don't have to be on screen to build a channel that can start making money with affiliate marketing. And so that's really what I teach. It is a faceless YouTube type of technique, but you don't have to be on camera like I am right now. I've kind of graduated into just may as well just record myself. If it's not going to hurt your channel, if anything, it could just offer that a little bit more personal touch, but you definitely don't have to. Most of my students get started and they don't want to be on camera. So it's a perfect fit. They go and start recording their videos and pretend I'm not on camera in the lower right-hand corner or wherever I'm at. And it's how I did my first probably 600 videos on YouTube. I just recorded my screen, taught something of value, and then that's it. I wasn't even on screen. I was able to make money, sell courses, build an audience, and it didn't really matter. And then technically speaking, to be completely honest with you, I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but it just is. The analytics, when I started getting on camera, I would have some people say, oh, it's cool. It's nice to get to know you or nice to see you on camera and stuff. But the analytics didn't show that people watched longer or that I got more views or anything like that. So really the data shows that you do not need to be on camera. You just record your screen and so forth. So what did I do? I actually went and started creating content on YouTube, putting a link to my Skool community about page, which if you join a Skool community, you get this about page. It says what you learn right over here. You can put up some screenshots and some proof of income, some testimonials, and so forth. You can do that. And then you can be really concise right here. Explain to your potential customer what they actually get, put a value to it and say you get to save this much money and you can get access to this for just $27. Some people click buy now and you actually get a discount. If you buy the annual, you get like a 25%, 30% savings if you buy an annual subscription to Six Figure Freedom Club. So that is literally it. I probably spent about 3 or 4 days putting it together, putting this post together, launching the rules, what to do when you join, and then setting up the different categories. We have our quick wins category where people share what they're doing. John's publishing a book and the 700 uploads on LearnWire. People are making money, 60,000 views on John's channel. My first affiliate sale from Ali, a Warrior Plus sale. People share their wins. So you put those categories together and then you go and you don't have to set up meetings and have Zoom calls. But from the start, I had Zoom calls. I've never gone overboard. We did have over 100 people in here at once, and I was doing a few more calls per month. But right now, I think a nice steady 2 calls per month every other week is a nice steady dose of getting together and having enough people on the call and so forth. They have a map. You can see where your members are around the world. So we have United States, Europe, Saudi Arabia, Philippines, and Australia. I recommend don't launch your Skool community until you have at least one course. That's the way that I did it. It was just this course right here. And this is the quick start course. Here's the intro to the community and a look around like what to do. And you can see right over here. And then we have this nice course right over here with 10 lessons. And then we have some more videos right over here as well. And then updates and bonus training as well. This walks you through from start to finish, getting your YouTube channel up and running, doing keyword research, getting your first content plan, 60 videos. And that way, when you go and because I know that you're a busy person, right? I know that you probably have a 9-to-5 job. You probably have kids. You probably have a family. You probably don't have a lot of time to build this side income hustle that you are dreaming about right now. I recognize that because I was that exact person. I had to be an adult, go to my job and report to a boss, a stressful job, have kids and all that, be married. And then still I had this passion and dream and motivation to build my own business on the side. So I'm right there with you. That's why I'm able to and equipped to teach you how to do this, help motivate you and help you answer questions along the way. That's what this course does. It gets you going. It gets you like no excuses. Start recording and publishing videos to start getting success. We've had people come through here. Some of them are no longer in the community, but they were with us for a year or over a year. We had John that was with us for 18 months and then decided he had learned enough and went on his way. This is a community where people have gotten a lot of information and have gone on to bigger and better things. I can teach you how to build that first YouTube channel, create your content, get it up and running very quickly, and be successful. We've had students come in here and gain that success. Learn from me and don't waste 5 to 10 years chasing shiny objects, because that is going to put you into actually feeling negative and feeling a little bit depressed. Join a community that will uplift you and get you on the right track from day one. So there is a link below. Check out my Skool community. This is how I did it. Just organic growth. Started creating videos. My major call to action was my 6-figure freedom club, and people would go and click on it, and then they would just go and purchase. And I did not do this with an advanced marketing funnel or anything like that. You can call it either direct marketing or naked affiliate marketing. The link just takes them right to the sales page right here, about page. So there's no barrier. There's no like, oh, give me your email address and then I will present my sales page to you. I don't like that method. And that's what the standard marketing funnel is, that there's a bridge page. You got to get someone's email address first, so then you can market to them. Almost every marketer, every experienced marketer is going to tell you that's what you need to do. But I've made over $500,000 not doing that. But you don't actually have to do that. I do teach advanced marketing techniques and I have email marketing knowledge as well. So link below. That is how I built my business and have made tens of thousands of dollars with my Skool community. If you're interested in building your own Skool community, I will be uploading in the classroom section a Skool mastery class that is already done and recorded. I just need to upload it, and I'm going to give access to 6-figure freedom club members. If they join here, you can also learn all about Skool, how to build, and so forth. So thanks for joining me. Hopefully you got value from this. If you did, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.